Join me as I put the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 to the test and see if this foldable smartphone can really keep up with my daily grind. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a device that's been making waves in the tech world, and for good reason. Its unique foldable design and innovative features like FlexCam make it a compelling option for those looking for a smartphone that can keep up with their active lifestyle. Many smartphone users face limitations with traditional devices, especially when it comes to portability and versatility. The challenge is finding a phone that combines both style and functionality. Traditional phones can be bulky and cumbersome, making them difficult to carry around in tight spaces. This is where the Galaxy Z Flip 6 comes in, offering a sleek and compact design that can easily fit in a pocket or purse. For those who value style and want a device that's both functional and fashionable, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 seems like an attractive option. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 boasts a stunning 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display that folds in half, making it incredibly compact. When folded, the phone measures just 85.8 by 71.9 by 17.1 millimeters and weighs about 187 grams. But what really sets it apart is its FlexCam feature, which allows users to take photos and videos from unique angles. With a 12-megapixel main camera and a 10-megapixel front camera, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is well equipped to capture life's precious moments. Under the hood, the phone runs on a large 4,000 mAh battery and is powered by a fast-charging system. The phone's performance is also noteworthy, thanks to its powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and up to 16 GB of RAM. This combination ensures seamless multitasking and a responsive user experience. In real-life usage, the phone handles demanding tasks like gaming and video editing with ease. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching videos, or playing games, the Galaxy Z Flip 6's performance is smooth and lag-free. One of the most impressive aspects of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is its FlexCam feature, which enables users to take photos and videos from new perspectives. For example, you can fold the phone at a 90-degree angle and use the rear camera to take a selfie, or capture a video from a low angle. Users have praised the phone's versatility, saying it's been a game-changer for their mobile photography needs. In a busy world where moments can pass in an instant, the Galaxy Z Flip 6's FlexCam feature ensures you never miss a shot. In a market filled with similar smartphones, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 stands out from the competition. For instance, its foldable design and FlexCam capabilities make it a more versatile option than traditional smartphones. Unlike other foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 offers a more seamless user experience, with a more durable design and improved performance. To wrap up, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a top-notch device that checks all the right boxes. Its foldable design, FlexCam features, and impressive performance make it a top choice for modern users. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to check out our other video on foldable smartphones and let us know your thoughts on the Galaxy Z Flip 6 in the comments below. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 AI cell phone, 512GB unlocked Android smartphone, FlexCam, Photo Assist, Camcorder Mode, Live Interpreter, Foldable Design, 2024, US 1-year manufacturer warranty, Mint. Brand Samsung. Operating System One UI 6.1, Android 14. RAM memory installed size 12GB. CPU model Core i7. CPU speed 3.4 GHz. Memory storage capacity 512GB. Screen size 6.7 inches. Resolution 2640 by 1080. Refresh rate 120 Hz. Model name Galaxy Z Flip 6. Don't stop to crop, capture stunning hands-free photos using FlexCam with Galaxy AI to frame up your shot automatically. Whether you're posing in front of a famous landmark or want to get the whole group in, keep everything you want in frame. Superscript 1. Take pics from good to great with Galaxy AI. Galaxy Z Flip 6 takes great photos and easily fixes imperfections, moves objects and enhances colors using Photo Assist with Galaxy AI Squared. Flex, a new way to capture video, capture social content in a fun new way with Camcorder Mode. When held in Flex mode, Galaxy Z Flip 6 lets you easily control the cam with one hand and use smooth zoom control to record moments as they happen. Your tiny, mighty translator. Say bye to being lost in translation and hide a fluency in up to 16 languages using Interpreter with Galaxy AI. In Flex mode, your phone displays translations on both sides of the screen for easy in-person conversation. Cubed. Reply on the fly with Galaxy AI. Complete simple tasks and send text without opening your phone on Flex window with Galaxy AI. Get quick reply text suggestions based on the context of your conversation. Use Bixby to change songs hands-free and more. 4.